Hey Blender enthusiasts, I'm thrilled to share with you an exciting add-on that's going to take your Blender creations to a whole new level. Today, we're diving into AI Render Stable Diffusion from Blender Market. It's a game changer and I can't wait to show you why. So, let's jump right in. What if I told you that you can create stunning AI-generated images in Blender without writing a single line of code? That's exactly what AI Render Stable Diffusion brings to the table. This add-on allows you to render AI-generated images based on a text prompt and your scene. It's a seamless process that opens up a world of creative possibilities. Let's take a look at how it works. Setting up AI Render is a breeze. In under a minute, you'll be ready to go. No complex code to run, no Google Colab to navigate through. Just create a free account at DreamStudio and your renders will happen in the cloud within seconds. And here's the bonus: if you prefer not to create an account, you can install Stable Diffusion locally. AI Render supports Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's that versatile. But that's not all. AI Render lets you animate your creations using all of Blender's animation tools. You can even animate Stable Diffusion settings and prompt text. It's perfect for batch processing, allowing you to experiment with different settings or prompts for a variety of outcomes. The possibilities are endless,